Now, lastly, we will we'll see the basic problem and potential technical solution in economics. Technical means, um, well, we just try to design. We should just try to find out what might work if uh, a certain strategy is applicable. If it is applicable, it can solve our problem. Starting from leaving everything to the market to coordination option, basically was the option we have come. Um, but even when we come to coordination option, the necessity of the growth in current economic system is a big problem, and the question will become: can a zero growth or negative growth or even low growth economy can be created, and what will be its cost? How will it affect the current economic system? That's one big question. The other question is, if we even if this is possible, and even if we can create kind of a coordination, inequality plays an important role, because stopping all countries' GDP at its current level means many countries will still, as you have seen in the previous lectures, tackle with poverty and very low life standards, basically. So inequality makes it more difficult, even in the developed countries, to basically uh, basically accept an economy which is staying where it is, basically, or even in terms of its own production level, even if the quality of, I mean, production is changing. And then even after these problems are solved, or when we take into account these problems, how the coordination can be, and basically whether should there be some additional institutions, some additional structures or transformation which might make this necessity of growth less severe, at least if not decrease it to zero, tackle with the problem of inequality, basically. Those are the big questions related to them. Economic side solutions of the environmental problems. And basically, those solutions, in many cases, especially for global warming, should be worldwide solutions. Basically, these concerns can be related to the also local solutions, but certainly at worldwide level, they are at least as relevant, if not more relevant. So, I want to end with a second video, which shows actually these hopes created by the Paris Agreement was shattered when Trump comes to the presidency and quit the Paris Climate Agreement. Ironically, actually, with that of coronavirus, Trump's final year has actually decreased the global carbon emissions significantly. But that has been done, of course, involuntarily. But Trump's presidency shows very well, actually, especially at the time when economy is not going as people wanted. Certainly, Trump did not take over even a slump economy. Economy was the unemployment rate was low when Trump came to the presidency. The desires of individuals to not have those rules and additional payments in place might very well overcome the overall international agreements to solve the problems. Even when the environmental problems become visible and at individual levels, their effects can be observed and felt by the people. People might still not easily build connection with their own activities and the environmental catastrophes that are experienced. So this might be my final statement. I mean, it shows in a way how difficult it might be to get global cooperation or anything, but also the whole problem itself shows It's just another reason besides others we have mentioned. In a globalized economy, how some level of global cooperation, we might discuss the level, but global cooperation and organization might be necessary, basically. I want to end this lecture with this note. I hope to see you in the next lecture, and as always, I hope you will stay healthy.